2. Partly cloudy skies tomorrow.
The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Beltrami County until 2:15 p.m. At 1:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bemidji, moving north at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bemidji, Redby, Eastern Lower Red Lake, Panama, Kelliher, Southern Upper Red Lake, and Wilton. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.